Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Harris, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you in the world, Harris?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, cool. And you're in Pakistan now?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great.
And you?
I'm from England and I'm in England, in
Okay,
Sheffield, which is in the middle.
okay.
So, what would you like to do today? Just free conversation or anything in particular?
No, free conversation.
Okay, great. So, tell me a bit about yourself. What do you like doing?
My name is Haris Khan and I'm computer software engineering student studying
Okay,
BS and currently in the fifth semester.
okay.
I'm 21 year old.
Yeah, great. And do you have any hobbies other than engineering?
Yeah, yeah, I like cricket and sport,
Hmm.
and
Is
along with this, I have a YouTube channel. So
okay. What do you do on your YouTube channel?
I upload my field related videos.
Okay,
Mean I teach somehow. I can say that I teach.
yeah, that's very cool. So,
Thank you.
so how many years have you been studying engineering?
Since 3 years.
3 years. Okay. Is this your final year or is there more?
Yes, 1 year left.
1 year. Okay. Are you looking forward to finishing or do you like studying?
No, I like to study. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. I miss studying. It's very
Okay.
fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice to learn always. I want to go back to university one day, maybe soon.
yeah. It's
Would you like to do more studying, a master's or PhD?
yeah. I want to do PhD.
Yeah.
I have
Okay.
strong intention. So let's
Yeah.
see what's happening next.
Okay. Will you get a job first or go straight to more studying?
I think I should need to go straight. So
Okay. In Pakistan, is it common that you teach whilst you do a PhD?
yeah.
Yeah. So you'd teach on the engineering course whilst,
Yes, I can, and I also love teaching, so
yeah,
very, very much.
yeah, yeah, I like teaching too. I studied
Yeah,
photography and did teaching
okay.
um, at my photography course afterwards. And I just really enjoy learning learning from the students.
That's great.
Yeah. Do you
Of
find
course,
that?
teach student
Pardon?
from student.
Yeah, because young people they think differently. Do you agree?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you like about teaching?
Uh, I like teaching.
You just like it. Okay. So is this your
I,
trial?
yeah, somehow you can say.
Okay. And are you thinking of getting more minutes with Cambly and finding a regular tutor? Or
Yes.
yeah. Okay. Um, so what sort of you just want to carry on doing free conversation after, or do you want to do some of the courses?
No, I want to continue free conversations. So
Okay, cool. Well,
later on, I'll try free conversation always on Cambly.
yeah. Have you tried lots of tutors already?
I have tried, yes, few, uh, 6 to 7.
Okay, cool. Well, we've only got 15 seconds, but I'll send you my schedule. So if you want to book in another lesson, it'd be great to speak to you again. Um,
Okay,
nice to
okay.
meet you, Harris, and good
Nice
luck
to meet
with your
you.
studies.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.